Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will be answering your question why a mask is better than duplicating a layer by pressing Ctrl plus J to remove the background after the selection. Okay, so I'll be demonstrating this on this picture. Okay, so if you have this question, it means you are not using any mask to remove the background. You are duplicating the layer. So let me do that as you are doing. So I'll click on quick selection tool to like save your time. I will click on select subject. Okay, so here my subject is selected, and for example if I don't select this area and then I press Ctrl plus J and hide that layer, now this area is not selected. I don't have this background. Okay, I don't have this background and this area is not selected. Now I don't have an option to restore this area, to select this area again. This is what a mask can do for you. Mask can restore this area if it's not selected. Let me show you. For example, let's go back. Okay, then create a mask. Here I create a mask and now this area is not selected, but you can select it by painting it with white. Why I'm saying white? Because if you look at the mask, okay, let me show you. Okay, if you look at this is the mask. If you look at this, the white areas are selected. Okay, white areas are those areas which is selected, but look here, this is black. These areas are black because these are not selected, these are removed. You can again select it by painting this area with white. Okay, let me show you. Hold alt, click on that mask again, then zoom out, press B to pick up the brush tool, then zoom in, switch these color, make sure the white is the foreground color, increase the size and draw. See, it is restoring that area for you. Okay, but if you restore an extra area like this, you don't need these areas but it is restored, you can again remove it by switching those colors and paint this area with black. That's great. So this is why a mask is better for you. Okay, whenever you remove a background, please use mask so it can restore any area that you are not selected, and it can remove the area, the extra area you selected. So this is why I'm using mask and I want you to use it too. So thank you for watching this video. My next tutorial will be on this, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.